So what I would like to do is talk a little bit about how I put this together, the theme of this, how it ties together, and then talk about a little bit about the construction, and then I'd like to show you just run the trains. It has its smoke coming from liquid that comes in out of the stack, and then this particular train I put in, these are not make-believe like stones and make-believe coal and presents and, you know, all the packages and stuff that's in there. Those are actual products that are actual stone and actual wood and all that stuff. So this little guy, he needs a little help to get going when he gets up that first hill. And but after that, he's good. And he's a real workhorse. And so you'll see that he's chugging when we're operating him. So I got to give him a little help, and then he gets rolling. Now it's smoking. You see him smoking? And then he chugs up the hill. And you have to drive this train also. And that's fun because you don't just to sit and watch it, you get to operate it. And you can speed up a little bit if you want. He's chugging, look at him chugging up the hill there.